Welcome to the Genius Factory. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to replace your Kia remote battery. First, gather your essential tools: a small flathead screwdriver and a new CR2032 battery. Make sure your workspace is clean and well lit. It's also important to confirm the correct battery type for your specific Kia model to ensure a smooth replacement process. Now, let's open the remote. Look for a small notch or seam along the edge of your Kia remote's casing. Carefully insert the tip of your small flathead screwdriver into this notch. With gentle pressure, twist or pry the screwdriver to separate the two halves of the remote. Take your time to avoid damaging the plastic. With the remote open, you'll see the old battery. Before removing it, take a quick mental note of its orientation, usually with the positive side facing up. Gently pry out the old CR2032 battery. Now, insert the new CR2032 battery into the compartment, ensuring the positive side, marked with a plus sign, faces upwards, just like the old one. Finally, it's time to reassemble your remote. Carefully align the two halves of the remote casing. Press them firmly together until you hear a satisfying click, indicating they are securely fastened. Once closed, test all the buttons on your remote to ensure they are functioning correctly. You've successfully replaced your Kia remote battery.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.